Yo, what is going on guys, and welcome to another video. And today I'm going to be basically talking about habits of every millionaire. So basically you've obviously seen Jeff Bezos and all of these millionaires online and all of that. There are a few habits that almost all of them follow that we need to start implementing in our life as soon as possible. So I don't want you guys to wait to implement all of this in your life. I want you to do it as soon as possible. So all of this is gonna happen step by step. You cannot just wake up one morning and say I'm gonna implement all of these things. You have to do it step by step. Even when you have a ladder in front of you, you have to climb one step at a time. You have to go step by step and follow all of these rules if you want to be a millionaire in the future. The first habit you need to start implementing sooner or later is waking up early in the morning. So there are a lot of people who go to bed at like 4 a.m. and wake up at like 12 p.m. But that's one of the worst habits you can have, because you wake up late, half of your day is already gone to waste. So basically when you wake up late, you have lesser time in the day. I've seen this quote somewhere: when somebody gives you $86,400 a day and you have to spend it, you're going to try spending it somehow if you know that you're going to get the same $86,400 the next day. Same way with time, you have 86,400 seconds every day. Why not spend the 86,400 seconds in the most efficient way possible rather than wasting the entire time and then regretting it later in the future? Because time is basically money. So if you're going to be waking up late, you're obviously going to miss out one of the most important time of the day, that is early in the morning, where you can get your tasks done more productively and efficiently. So I suggest wake up early in the morning, start getting your tasks done. Get a good breakfast, go out, start working, work out, do all of that. I'm going to come to these points later. So yeah, basically the first thing you need to do is waking up early in the morning. The second habit almost all millionaires follow is working out. So make sure you are working out during the day. So I suggest working out in the morning, because if you do work out in the morning, you feel energetic the entire day, and when it's time to go to bed, you start feeling sleepy. So this is a proven study that if you work out in the morning, you feel more energetic during the day, so you complete all your tasks during the day more efficiently, and then you go to bed when you're actually sleepy and tired because of the workout you had in the morning. So if you don't work out the entire day and you work out in the evening, you're gonna feel energetic when it's time to go to bed. So like, do not let that affect you. So my suggestion is work out in the morning rather than working out in the evening. Although the most important part here is make sure you work out every day. Do not miss a workout session, whether it's morning or evening, but do not miss out on a good workout for the day, because it makes you feel much more fresh. It makes you feel better about yourself. It gives you more confidence. And it's always better to work out every single day, because you're gonna keep your body and mind both fit. So make sure to work out every single day. This is another thing that every millionaire follows. Third habit of every single millionaire: make sure to read the news. So reading the news and what's happening around you is very important, because you need to know what the market is, what's happening outside, and you have to make sure you're in the loop of everything that's happening. Because if you do tend to have a conversation with somebody, maybe in your gym, or maybe while going for a walk, or maybe while going to work, if you have a conversation with people, you have to appear smart and you actually have to know what's happening in the current scenario. So make sure to catch up on the news, make sure to check what's happening every day on a daily basis. Either read the newspaper, or there are a lot of articles on the phone. There are a lot of articles on the phone about what's happening on a daily basis. So make sure to subscribe to those articles. And basically just read the news on a daily basis. It doesn't need to be an entire 10 paragraph news. You just need to read the sub points and what's happening, and maybe in detail about what you're interested in, sports news, the news about the markets and everything. But make sure you're in the loop of what's happening. Otherwise you're going to be living under a rock if you don't know what's happening every day on a daily basis. So make sure to check the news, make sure to be in the loop. Apart from looking like a millionaire, you will actually be a millionaire one day, because you might come across somebody who might be able to give you that dream job or something if you come across smart to them. The next habit of almost every millionaire is invest in education. So people don't realize that investing in education and buying online courses is one of the most important things. So only if they buy online courses and they invest in their education and understand and learn new things like on investment banking, like on marketing, unless they do all these things, they're not actually going to upgrade themselves. And you need to be an upgraded human in times like this, because almost everybody is working on themselves, studying and actually becoming a smarter version of themselves. So unless you do it, you're gonna actually be 2 steps behind everybody. And if you want to be 2 steps ahead, you have to start investing in education. You have to start studying, you have to start start understanding what's happening in the world today, that is read newspapers and also do courses, as many courses as possible. You might need to learn the Excel sheet, you might need to know everything. The more you invest in yourself, the better you're going to be as a human being, the better you're going to be as a person. Not only invest in yourself when it comes to education, but also invest in yourself when it comes to like buy proper skincare products and buy good shampoo and join a gym and buy a gym membership and all of that. This is also parts of investing in yourself. But mainly focus on investing in education because it's a very competitive world out there, and if you want to survive in this competitive world, you need to be competitive yourself too. So the fifth point of every millionaire is you need to learn about finances. So another very important thing is you need to know about finances and what's happening in the world. You need to know how to invest your money, where to invest. You need to understand debt, equity. You need to understand almost everything. You need to understand shares, mutual funds. You need to know what's actually happening with finances, and that you cannot just keep all your money in a cupboard and expect it to grow, because that's not going to happen. You need to invest it in the right places, because only if you learn about finances, you'll be able to invest it in the right places, and only if you invest it in the right places, it's going to grow. It's going to grow over inflation. So basically inflation is at around 7% every year. So by investing in a savings account or in a fixed deposit, you're actually going to lose out on money, because inflation is even more than the interest the fixed deposit is giving. So you need to know on which mutual funds to invest in, you need to know which shares to buy, you need to understand what's happening in the market, you need to actually start understanding balance sheets, you need to know the latest news of every market and the latest news on every company, the owner of the company, the shareholders, what's happening with the company, the asset to liability ratio of the company, and everything, basically everything about the company, and then only you should go ahead and invest in that company. So basically you need to have financial knowledge in today's day and age, because if you miss out on that, you're going to miss out on the bigger picture. So you need to know what's actually happening outside, and honestly, if you follow all of these tips, you are going to grow up, and if not a millionaire, you're at least going to earn good enough for yourself. But if you work hard enough and understand all of these things, nothing is going to stop you from becoming a millionaire, and nothing is going to even stop you from becoming a billionaire, because like all of these guys who have actually understood these things and who actually like work on these things and understand their finances, invest in the right place, one proper investment and you can become a billionaire. Honestly, that's how it works. Even for people who bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin was just a few dollars, now are pretty rich. So they understood in investments, they were willing to take a few risks, they took the risk, and now they're all successful. So make sure to like understand what's happening, and also be ready to take risk based on your risk appetite. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed. If you all learned something, please leave a like and also subscribe, because more content like this is actually coming up. I've decided that I'm gonna educate you guys and also read all of this for myself before I educate you guys about all of these things. So make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yep, thank you guys so much, and see you all in the next video. Peace out.